Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016 Ford Mustang, of course. Stock number is 7293. This virtual video walk around is going to allow you to see this vehicle up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition on the passenger side. Absolutely flawless, making our way around to the rear on this gorgeous looking GT. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat. Notice the leather interior, power windows, locks, cruise tilt, fully loaded. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, and it's right here at Sunset Ford. For more info, give us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and get ready to save. Scott Tanner saying we hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around and make it a great day. Take care.